Hey guys, Betty here with Carblessly Delicious, where you can find tasty inspiration on low carb and keto friendly recipes. This video is featuring lasagna, one of my favorite Italian dishes. Cheesy, meaty, and absolutely delicious. I'm going to show you a healthy substitute that I use to replace the lasagna sheets, keeping our lasagna low carb and keto friendly at only 5 grams of net carbs per serving. So let's get started. And as always, my lovely friends, all of the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed for you down in the description. First thing I want to do here is prep our veggies. I'm cutting our green peppers and onions. You can dice your veggies as fine as you like. For our meat, I'm using both ground beef and turkey. I'm going to combine it together into a skillet and scramble it to small chunks as you see here. In a separate frying pan, guys, go ahead and saute your green peppers and onions until your onions become translucent and your green peppers become tender and soft. Go ahead and blend your onions and green peppers together with your meat. Mix in tomato sauce. Make sure it's sugar-free, guys. And add your seasoning. This is where all that delicious flavor is going to meet and combine and saturate your lasagna, guys. Now I'm going to prepare our ricotta. Add an egg to ricotta cheese. Helps to bind the cheese so it doesn't ooze out when you cut into your lasagna. I like to beat the egg first. I'm going to mix parsley and a little oregano in there. Go ahead and pour it into the ricotta along with a pinch of sea salt and mix. Time to layer our lasagna, guys. Coating the bottom of our dish with a layer of meat sauce. In order to keep our lasagna low carb and keto friendly, we need to replace the traditional lasagna sheets with a healthy substitute. And the perfect substitute are these roasted chicken slices containing absolutely 0 carbs. We're going to cover the meat sauce with our next layer using the chicken slices. Overlap your slices. This strengthens your layers. Guys, have your local deli cut your slices to a thickness that simulates the thickness of actual lasagna sheets. Spread a layer of shredded mozzarella cheese over the chicken slices. Top the cheese with another layer of meat sauce. Next, spread a layer of ricotta cheese over the meat sauce like this here. Repeat another layer of chicken slices. Followed by another layer of shredded mozzarella cheese and another layer of ricotta cheese and meat sauce. Now we're going to top all these delicious layers with a final sheet of shredded mozzarella. We're going to bake our lovely lasagna at 375 degrees for about 40 to 50 minutes. And here you have it, my friends, the finished product. A sprinkle of parsley flakes over the top. And how so lovely. Allow it to settle for 5 to 10 minutes before diving in, and I know you can't wait. I am absolutely amazed, guys. Here you have it, low carb, keto friendly lasagna at your best. The roasted chicken slices are such an amazing substitute, solid enough to separate the layers, yet so tender that you don't even realize they're there. It blends seamlessly in with the tasty flavors bursting from the ground beef and turkey. Oh, so cheesy and so scrumptious. Remember, my lovely friends, healthy lifestyles begin right in our very own kitchens as we explore alternative ingredients to keep our recipes low carb, keto friendly, and healthy without compromising the delicious taste of our foods. New recipes like this are uploaded every week. Click here to check out a few of my other favorite meals that keep me on track. and will also inspire you to stay on track as well. Until next time, my friends, God bless you. Goodbye.